Hi, my name is Pieter Mees from Zentrick.
And my name is Frederick from Zentrick.
A croissant on la croissette or a shot on a yacht?
Sorry, can you say that again? I didn't catch
A
that.
croissant on la croissette or a shot on a yacht?
Oh, shot on a yacht, obviously.
Helicopter in or helicopter out?
A helicopter in.
Triple pike or double somersault?
Somersault.
Chilled rosé or chilled rosé?
Chilled rosé.
He'll take his rosé any style.
What's made a splash in the industry this year?
Well, actually one of the biggest things I think is the coming out of Ford 4.1. But it will show more in the next couple of months. But I think that's one of the big things. Right?
And how do you think technology is changing the industry?
I think at a higher level, I think technology is helping the kind of industry scale by automating all the manual processes that existed, and there are a lot of them. So I think there's this kind of very nice circle of events where technology is helping scale for the industry, and the scale is helping automate workflows because they're repeated so many times over and over again. So I think that's a very nice circle of life.
And what are you looking forward to in 2019?
For 2019, I'm looking forward to a large part of the industry maturing in the sense that innovation is happening so rapidly that everyone is trying to just like catch up and trying to get everything in place, get their house in order, because you already know the next wave of innovation is coming. And I think people's use of some of the technologies that were introduced a couple of years ago is maturing to the sense that they're going to be ready for the next wave of innovation. And I think that will have a huge impact on the industry, because that next wave of innovation of the things that we introduced this and last year are going to make the big splash for next year when you ask this question at Cannes 2019. Yeah.
So basically people are going to catch up with the technology?
I think so, yeah. And as an engineer, I'm excited about that, because I already see where we're heading, but people are still trying to implement the stuff that we tried to build years ago. So,
And that's very interesting to see, actually.
well, whether our vision of what it was going to be back then,
We were
whether
just
that
too
will be
soon.
reality.
Whether you were right.
Running ahead of the market is not a bad thing either. True.
And finally, what's your top tip for Cannes?
Well, one of the things is don't drink as much as the people you talk to.
Yes. Be more sober than the rest.
Yes, indeed.
Okay, all right. I like that.
Or put ice in your wine, whatever you got.
Very alcohol-related tips there.
Excellent tips. Thank you very much. That was really great. Thank you.